Yo guys, just got the grips. I got the knife. I'll be good. Yo, I'm about to take these grips out. Whoa, bro. Makes no sense, bro. Really?
Yo, I put a box in a bag.
Hold up, bro.
What you order? What is that?
Some eBay Chinese pro taper tapper bars, grits inserts.
Tapper bar. This nigga crazy.
Yeah, bro. Yo, are these real pro tape? Oh, okay, it is. Oh, Zan, this dude just dropped my $1,000 camera. Bro, are these used? Oh, nah. Yo, Amazon, you owe me money, bro. I understand I ordered yesterday, got here today. Prime. Bro, these things is used, bro. What you mean?
I'm not used.
Yeah, these things actually dope.
That shit look good.
They're like my dirt bike tires. Look at them. Wow. That's legit. Alright, bro, let's just smack these on. Alright, guys. This is the garage where everything happens. We get some more lights in here, bro. Yeah, bro, you got bleed?
Yeah.
See that thing, bro.
There you go.
Oh. Oh, damn, let me start this side, because that side got a mirror still. What kind of blade is this, bro? This shit don't even know if it want to be round or circled. Bro. Oh. Oh, Jesus. I've never stabbed anything this hard before.
You know what you doing, bro?
Nah, bro. I know how to use blades. Bro. Ooh, damn, this thing is sharp. Ooh. Why this thing got doing it? Alright, bro. We're going to go ahead and smack these over there real quick. Quiet.
Oh, hold on. The bigger one goes in that side.
Oh, bro,
this
they
one.
got me, bro.
This one goes here.
No, that thing's small.
Exactly. The bigger one's going on the other side.
Alright, I never put pro tapers.
No,
ponle glue, papá.
You don't need glue.
¿Y cómo tú vas a esto?
And the same way I put mine. Come on, she a virgin. I know she a little tight. You gotta break her in.
Oh, nah,
Spit on that
bro.
shit. Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. No. You got it, leg it for you, stick it. You get a grip.
Está como anoche, papá. Let me get this side, bro.
Está como anoche. Put that shit
Oh,
back,
hell no, bro. I'm just leaving like that, bro.
Nah, you gotta take them out, put it with WD-40 on that slide right now.
You serious, right?
Yeah, I'm serious. That's how I did mine. Oh, wait, you might not need it.
I'm strong, bro.
Oh, there you go. Perfect.
Damn, bro.
That should look good.
That shit look like shit.
That look good.
Only reason I bought it, this dude was like, yo, bro, you don't got a dirt bike, so you might as well just order these. I'm like, alright, cool.
Yeah, try to be like me, look. That's it, nigga. What you trying?
That look good. Now, don't break that mirror. I need that.
Do you really?
Yeah, man.
Swear to God?
Yeah, I'm dead ass. What the fuck?
I was gonna slam it.
No, chill, bro.
Why not?
Let's go right there. Let's go right
I'm
there.
gonna slam it like a cheeseburger. What you mean? You gotta take it off. And then you can't put that back on because it covers it.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh, shit.
Come on, nigga. You know what you're doing, papi.
Swear you
Go
can
ahead,
cut,
girl.
bro.
Go ahead. Put that
Bust
shit
down,
open.
Tatiana.
Bust down, nigga. Bust down. Look at that shit. Broke that shit like a cheesesteak piece of bread, nigga. Put the salami on that bitch.
Yo, I'm gonna just leave it like that, bro. You.
That's how Philly vibes be. Chopping it up.
Dog, you about to break my shit. Then you owe me your whole car. I don't want no bullshit $20. You want a whole car.
I'm out. And I'm back. Oh shit. What are you doing?
I'm spray some car cleaner, bro.
Nah, you gotta put some bust down, nigga.
Bro, yeah, this shit's about to bust down some little.
Go, my nigga. Oh!
So yeah, guys, I decided to go with a different brand. We're going ahead and put these Fox on.
What does the fox say?
Hey, you know what?
Yeah.
Some real shit, guys. I'm just gonna put tire shine, man.
No, you can't put tire shine. Oh, you're wild.
I don't care, bro.
Oh, that shit gonna slip right up. You gonna hit the gas, nigga. You gonna smack a tree.
Where are you doing that anyways?
What you mean? Oh, you dropped it on the floor.
Bro, I just put like.
Come on.
Bro, look, tire shine, guys.
Look at that shit. Look
Mira,
like,
papi. Oh, nah, hold on. I got to put my hoodie on
they're
that.
gonna kill you.
Bro. Alright, guys, there you got it. You gotta put tire shine on it. Make sure you get the cheap. Oh, this would never go in there.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh. Hold up, bro. Oh shit. Oh. Yo, so now you guys got it. Tire shine, bro.
Hey, you gotta show what you doing.
Yo, bro.
Bro, you struggling over there, young. You gonna put a grip on the
Why
bike?
not you ain't talking, dude? You put grease, dog. You 40 still never went in.
You gotta slide it a little more.
That's it, bro.
You sure?
Yeah, that's it.
Let me see. You like him?
No. Waste of money.
Oh, damn.
Only reason why I did it because it was red. Wow.
Send it back. Send that shit back.
The only reason why I put these on, guys, because it's red.
Go ahead, ride it.
All right.
Go ahead, hop on it real quick. Let me see what you look like.
Don't start, bro.
Oh, you gotta close that garage. The lighting is messing it up.
So there you guys got it, man. How to put grips on with tire shine.
Yeah, you gonna ride your bike though?
Yeah, bro.
Ride it. Let me see.
Yeah, I got some wheel spray. Come on, follow me.
What you got back here?
Yo, guys, we got some 20-inch. We're gonna upgrade to 20-inch wheels. These bad boys. Alright, bro. Grab one of these, man. Look, man. What do you think, bro? I just got it powder coated. Black.
Oh, look good. You think they fit?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, for sure, bro.
Oh,
Why
alright.
wouldn't they?
I don't know.
It definitely fit.
Yo, so what's for dinner? I was thinking maybe I made some chicken. I don't know.
Yeah, bro. I got some chickens back there. You can have them, bro.
Where your chickens at?
Yeah, bro. Keep them.
I need some fresh chicken.
Yeah.
I want to chop it up myself.
Guys, so you guys got it. We'll put the grips on. They
Grips look really
horrible.
good. No, they look good. I like them.
They look decent.
Match your bike. It's cute. It's cutiana. Bust down that. Let me see the bust. Let me see you do the bust down. You gotta do the bust down. Go ahead, do the bust down. Bust down, Tatiana. Go ahead, you gotta grab your pants. You gotta grab your pants.
Bro, I got no pants on.
Bro. Look, bust down,
Yo, guys, so
Tatiana.
today I woke up this morning. I was like, I don't know if I want to wear Vans, Nike, or Adidas. So, bro, why just not try them all? Everything, bro. Just, you know. What are you? Sponsored by everyone, bro. Might as well, man.
Oh, shit.
And we got a Walmart shirt underneath. No, this is actually kind of cool. So
No,
we got that
kinda
underneath too, bro. So we got the whole designers out here,
That
cuz.
look good.
That YouTube check of $6.10. That was good. Thank you, man. I appreciate the socks.
The socks.
Yeah, that's what you can buy with $6, bro.
Yo, we got the helmets right here, though. Check that out.
Yo,
I mean,
don't forget the Fresh Boys. We
the Fresh
really
Boys?
got the Fresh Boys up.
oh yeah, you gotta show them the helmet you got
Bro.
for Christmas.
This helmet's so fresh.
Look,
fresh,
look,
bro.
look. You got that
Comes
shit in
with
the
an
bag.
OBD
Look,
scanner. That's how fresh it is, bro. When your bike code come on, check on your bike.
he got it in the bag. That's how you know it's a fresh boy right there. You just don't bring that one out.
Oh!
That's for special occasions. But
This is when,
you gotta stand this side because of the lighting.
Hold up, bro.
There you go.
So
That's better.
fresh, I can't even take it out, bro. Oh, nah. My helmet's about to... Damn, look at that. Boy.
Turn it around. Turn it around. Let me see.
Wait till them wheels
All
get
around.
powder, cuz.
Ooh, oh, that's hard. Yep.
Oh.
Yep. I fucks with that. That's nice as hell.
Oh, it's got
Never been used, look.
too. Yeah, bro. This is nice. Mira, y es de marca, papi. Este no Walmart, mami, I did it.
Mommy, I did it.
Yeah, man. I had this helmet, but some kid fell on my bike. The dude that's holding the camera right now, so you don't want to admit it. Look, he ended up cracking my helmet and everything, bro.
Yeah, it went down.
Not
guys.
Spanish. As
It
soon as
went
they
down.
say, "Eso está salado, papá. Eso está salado," so I'm never wearing this helmet. I'm just keep it there.
Memories.
Yeah, for memories when I did not fall, never. But the dude that wore my helmet did. That makes a lot of sense, right?
Sorry, make sure to subscribe though, YouTube. Such as Bike Life. That guy's channel right there.
Hey, how you guys?
You look really handsome there. What's your name, buddy?
So yeah, guys, there you guys got it. Got the new license plate. Very legal. By the way, I showed the registration. It says the same exact thing. And that, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you drop one of the thumbs up, share, comment. Especially comment, man. You guys just view them. Don't even comment, bro. Like, leave me a comment, bro. Say, does it suck? Is it good? Is it bad? Or I just don't got time to text. You know? But say something, bro. Other than that, guys, we got it. We out here. On to the next video. Brad.